How to fix battery drain problem in Redmi Note 13. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the settings application on your device. As you do that, tap on about phone and check for any updates available for your device. If there are no updates available, go back and tap on your storage and check if you have enough storage on your device and what app or what factor is taking up much space in your device. If you do not have enough space, then you need to clear out the space as well. Next, what you need to do is simply check on your battery performance. So just tap on the battery option on settings and here just select whatever current mode or battery checkup options over here. See which app is draining your battery over here. After that, what you can simply do is make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might also help you fix the issue. And if that doesn't fix the issue, you'll have to take your battery or you might have to change it by taking it to your nearest mobile store. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.